To show you how to extract a data source and save the dashboard as a package workbook. And the reason you would want to do this is because if you want to share a dashboard and data source with someone that doesn't have credentials to the data source, but you still want them to be able to see the actual data source with your dashboard. So I have my dashboard open here. And if I go to the data source tab, and then at the top, click extract. And then I just like refresh it just to make sure. I also just update it. I don't know why, but just to make sure that the data is there. And then when you're ready to save, you can go to File, Save As. And then here you can choose between a package workbook or a regular workbook. So have it as packaged. And then I can go ahead and save it and then create extract. And then it'll create the extract and then save it to wherever you had saved it. So right now it's in a folder on my desktop, but yeah.
Cool. So just to summarize, what we now can do is we can share that workbook with someone and they'll be able to open it and see everything without having to put in credentials for whatever data source you're using. So
Yes.
that's pretty cool. Stop.